I've made a lot of great sauces, but this might be one of my best. I could literally bathe in this pineapple mango chutney dipping sauce. Let's make it. First, we heat some oil over medium-high heat. I'm using achiote, which is my new favorite thing to cook with. Then we saute some roughly chopped garlic. Everything is going to be mashed or blended at the end, so don't worry about cutting small. Plus, we don't want the garlic to burn. When the garlic is fragrant, add the mango, pineapple, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, red chili flakes. If you don't like it hot, leave this out, ground turmeric, water, and ginger paste, then stir. Bring the mixture up to a boil, stir, then lower the heat to a simmer. Simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally until the mixture begins to reduce. The mangoes and pineapples should be very soft and the liquid should thicken to a syrupy consistency. Let the chutney cool completely before pureeing. If you like larger chunks of fruit instead of a completely smooth blend, mash the mangoes and pineapples instead of pureeing them. Refrigerate the chutney in an airtight container for up to 3 weeks or freeze in an ice cube tray and store for up to 3 months. This was the perfect complement for my curry chicken nuggets, but I actually think it would be fire with some jerk pork or grilled chicken too. Find the full recipe on yardigalcuisine.com.